Evolution is in our nature is not a made-up marketing phrase, but the inspiration for the creation process of the Amels 80. The 263-foot-long super yacht, designed by industry's greatest, was ready for a launch matching its identity. To launch a super yacht which exists only on the drawing board was a real challenge to begin with.
We really challenged ourselves to come up with an idea to launch the Amels 80. We said to ourselves, okay, we need to come up with something different.
And different it was. Within the yachting industry, a launch event of this scale was never seen before. We designed 3 program tracks in order to respond to the needs of all target groups.
We start with a VIP event, followed by the launch of the Amels 80 itself, and lastly we'll have a press event.
For this VVIP session we created this luxury beachy vibe where an informal table talk takes place.
Via a custom-made platform, potential buyers, brokers and ship owners were able to take a seat at the table together with Damen Yachting's owner, Rose Damen, and designers Espenoino and Paul Costeras. They were able to send in questions and to have a first glimpse of the design of Amels' new icon. After an intimate dialogue about the design process, it was time for its big reveal. Via a specially designed landing page and yachting publisher Boat International, the digital world premiere took its stage.
So for Amels 80 we created a very unique storyline where evolution is in our nature is artistically being translated by natural elements.
The star of the show was without a doubt the scale model of the ship.
There was sort of a grey area. We were talking about a scale model of 1 to 10 and not the usual 1 to 50 or 1 to 75 scale model.
With the use of the latest mapping technology, specially composed music and live performance, we were able to tell the true story of its DNA. After the premiere, a presentation including more detailed information was given for a selected group of press. A press kit was waiting for them in the online platform we created. The event was enhanced by an omni-channel communication strategy consisting of pre, present and post-amplification phases. We have reached over 1 million people with the introduction of the Amels 80, generated 143 new prospects, registered a total of 7 qualified leads, had 22 VVIP viewers, far above the desired 5, published over 40 articles with a media value of over 500,000 euros. We even got compared to Steve Jobs' iPhone presentations by Forbes. And last but not least, the entire campaign generated more than 5.7 million impressions.